The top 5 best immersion blender recommendation. Let's get started. Recommendation number 1. MUELLER Austria Ultra Stick 500 Watt 9-speed immersion. The ergonomic grip offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. The full copper motor withstands continuous use and will last 3x longer than competitors' motors. The removable blending arm with fixed blade locks into the motor body for easy operation. The stainless steel-shaped fixed blade quickly blends ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups, or baby food, and the quality whisk attachment is a perfect addition. 1-year warranty so you can buy with confidence and blend happily ever after. Hand blender, whisk, and milk frother attachments manual. Recommendation number 2. KITCHENAID KHPV 53IC Variable Speed Corded. This KITCHENAID variable speed corded hand blender features an 8 removable blending arm with 4-point stainless steel blade to blend everything from smoothies to milkshakes, soups, sauces, and so much more. It is easy to use with a variable speed trigger switch and includes a US patent-pending removal pan guard to help protect your cookware. The 3-cup BPA-free blending jar with lid is great for individual blending jobs and can be used to serve direct from or to store your blended creation for a later use. Recommendation number 3. MUELLER Hand Blender Smart Stick 800W 12-speed. The MUELLER 3-in-1 Smart Stick Hand Blender is the product no household should be without. No more swapping between endless appliances when the Smart Stick Immersion Blender lets you blend, puree, whisk, mix, and chop all in one versatile appliance. Save both on prep time and storage space when you use just this one great device. Order your MUELLER Smart Stick Immersion Blender now and give yourself the freedom in the kitchen that you deserve. Recommendation number 4. MUELLER Multipurpose Immersion Hand Blender. The ergonomically designed handle makes the operation more comfortable and safe, with simple 2-push button dual-speed control, suitable for a variety of kitchen mixing tasks. The Immersion Blender has a high-powered 500-watt motor to handle more blending tasks quietly, and perfectly compatible with 110 to 120 volts. Adopt advanced noise reduction technology to avoid discomfort caused by excessive noise. MUELLER Hand Blender can satisfy many kinds of family mixing tasks such as blend juice, soup, milkshake, sauce, chop veggies, make baby food. Recommendation number 5. BRAUN MULTIQUICK 5 Immersion Hand Blender. Power bell technology, durable stainless steel blades, and unique bell-shaped blending shaft for fast and finer results. Easy Click ensures all attachments can be removed with one simple click. Turbo boost for added power. Soft grip handle for comfortable use, and 20-ounce beaker and whisk attachment included. The unit is designed for the turbo button to be activated with a little more force than the other button BPA-free.